So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another tutorial video of my Python series. In this lecture, we will learn about the relational operators of Python and how we can use those relational operators in our project. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, we need to open PyCharm. So in PyCharm, we have our project opened. Demo will create a new Python file here. So new Python file, name it relational relational operator. You can name it anything. So I have given it a relational. So after opening our new Python file, we'll write our code here. So what are the relational operators? Relational operator has another name. It's called comparison operator because relational operators will give us a comparison of two data. It will give us a comparison of two data. Say suppose we have a data called a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. So what so if we compare these two, so what will be the comparison? So suppose we can say if we can determine if a is small or a is bigger than b or a is smaller than b, or we can also determine if a b are similar. So so how we can understand them? So we can use relational operators if we want to find any relation between two data. So suppose we can say if what is the biggest number, a or b, which one is the biggest one here, which is the largest one. So we can use a relational operator here. We can say a greater than b, so it will give us a greater than b. It's saying if a is greater than b or not. And our relational operators always gives us answer in boolean. So what is boolean? It will give us true or false. It will give us answer in true or false. Say suppose if we print this if we print this in our console, we will see false because a is not greater than b. So let's get run this and run. And if we write relation here, we can see in our console false. This is the answer what I have told you before, because a is not greater than b, that's why it's saying false here. So what are the relational operators? Relational operators is the comparison operator which compares two data, and it always gives us the answer in boolean format. So if we print another one, so we say suppose we say a is less than b, so it will give us true because a is less than b, and first one is false because a is not greater than b. We can also print another statement, which is a equal to b. Here I have written two equal to because I want to compare that a is equal to b. A is the same as b or not. So we'll run this. We can see in our console false because a is not equal to b, because a is 10 and b is 20. So we have false here, and there is a misconcept here. Let me clear this to you all. So there are two. They are single equal to, and there are double equal to. So what's the first one means? First one means assign. We are assigning something. We are assigning 20. We are assigning 20 to a. Single equal symbol means we are assigning a value in a variable. We are assigning a value in a variable. But double equal means we are comparing both a equal b or not. A equal b or not. A and b are similar or not. So single equal means assign, and double equal means if they are equal or not. And there are other relational operators, which is a greater than equal to b, and another one is a less than equal to b. So if we run this now, we can see first one is false because a is less than b, second one is true because a is less than b, third one is false because a and b are not similar, fourth one is also false because a is not equal to b or not greater than b, and the last one is true because a is smaller than b. A is smaller than b. So these are the comparison operators or relational operators which says as a Boolean answer about two values relation. Are they similar or are they not? Are they big or not? Are they small or not? So these are all the relational operators, and there is something else here. Let me write another one. Int, say suppose we have a b, so this one is saying that a is not equal to b. This operator means a is not equal to b. We have single equal to and we have an exclamatory symbol here. This is indicating that not, so a is not equal to b. So if we run this, we will see true because a is not equal to b. A is 10 and b is 20. So this is the opposite of equal equal. So this is the opposite of equal equal. So I hope you understand today's lecture. Today's lecture was all about relational operators. In our future videos, we will see how we can implement this in our project. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.